Introducing the letter Y. Y is for yo-yo, which goes up and down. Y is for yelling across town. Y is for yawn. It's time to take a nap. Y is for a yeti caught in a trap. Y is for yoga and yarn too. Y is for yogurt for me and you. What else starts with the letter Y? How about yolk? Yak and yacht work too. Can yard and yam be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the y sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter Y. Lean down, long lean down. Lean down, long lean down. Lean down, long lean down. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Romp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, Romp.